Let me show you how easy it is to control and restrict websites using TeamTrace. Start by navigating to the Blocked/Allowed Websites section inside your TeamTrace settings dashboard. This is where you manage all the websites you want to monitor or restrict. If you haven't created any lists yet, you'll see a clean slate, ready to go. Each list can contain multiple websites. Click on Add to create a new list. Give your list a name, something like Restricted Websites. Now, simply enter the websites you want to restrict. You can add multiple URLs one by one, quick and straightforward. Once you're done, hit Save. And just like that, your restricted website list is created. You can click on the list anytime to view or update the websites inside it. Need to add more? Just type and update. And if you ever need to remove a list, you can do that in just a click.